Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG Network. Recently, the price line of OMG Network has broken out this falling wedge on the hourly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line after this breakout will start the bullish move or it will be still moving here sideways or move down. And before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this chart, and this is the hourly time frame. And from 4th of October, the price action started forming this down channel. Recently, the price line on 6th of October has broken out this resistance of the down channel. We were expecting that after this breakout, the price line will start the next bullish rally, but still it is moving sideways. Now, if we move to the daily time frame chart, then this was the resistance that the price action was having previously. Before this rally, the price action was having previously this resistance that was really very strong resistance line. You can see several times the price action has been rejected, but right now on this daily time frame chart, after this correction, the price line has dropped at this very strong uptrend line resistance, and now using this previous resistance as a support and retesting this level as a support, it can start the next move from here to the upside. Previously, we have already seen that the price action has broken out the resistance of the cup and handle and a bull flag as well. And these were my previous videos that I shared with you, that the price line can break out another bull flag, and before that I also shared this cup and handle formation with you when the price action was breaking out the resistance of the handle, and after that we were expecting that soon it will break out the resistance of the cup as well. Now if I place this horizontal line here where the price line is testing and zoom the chart out, then you can see exactly where we had the resistance of the cup. The price line has dropped at the same point. Now, as I have already shared my targets for this cup and handle with you in my previous videos, I am just going to tell you again that our next target as per this cup and handle, if I place it here at this breakout point, can be approximately $22. And right now you can see that the price line has rallied up to $18. That was the target of our bull flag. Here the price line also formed this bull flag while it was forming this handle of the cup. Therefore, right now, in my point of view, it can be a really very nice opportunity to buy the dip OMG network here at this support. And from here, I'm expecting a very explosive move within next few hours or days. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.